Hey, how is it out?
The birds are all eating breakfast.
Oh, sorry, the fog in the morning screws up the camera. Welcome to Laliland. It is Tuesday. We are getting dressed in our bathing suits to spend the day at the beach, Manatee Beach, for a bit. We're going to the Anna Maria Island all-you-can-eat pancakes on the beach, still full from last night. Then Mikey's gonna put up our umbrella. We're gonna lay on our towels. We're gonna play with the dolphins, maybe, manatees, whatever wants to play with us. Ready for the beach?
I'm ready for pancakes.
We're not gonna bring this camera with us today. We're gonna use the underwater cameras. We're gonna use Mikey's phone to film the food, so might be a little different quality, but we'll see you back on this one later. Hey guys, we're here at Manatee Beach. We're here for some breakfast. Then we're gonna go on the beach. So let's go eat some all-you-can-eat pancakes. We brought our own sugar-free syrup because we felt guilty. So we're gonna go eat some pancakes.
A lot of pancakes.
A couple pancakes.
A lot of pancakes.
So our bad, we thought that it was 7 days a week that you can get the all-you-can-eat pancakes, but apparently it's only on the weekends. We're really bummed, dude. Really bummed. Oh. But you know what? That's Manatee Beach there. It's beautiful. It's public. Come check it out. We thought we were going to be playing down here today, but I think we're going to go check out a different spot for breakfast. Usually they make the pancakes right in here, I think. Bummer. Alright, we're going to go to Minnie's Beach Cafe instead, which is on our list anyway. Sorry we don't have the camera with us because we're going right to the beach after this. They got some outdoor dining and it looks like we're the first ones here this morning. Ready to eat. Okay, also, I put my little nails on last night since I can't get a manicure here. And I broke one already.
Oh no.
I'm such a fail.
Sorry, I broke it down too.
Two, please.
So wherever you like, honey.
Where do you want? You want to sit in the corner?
Yeah.
Oh, here it is. Sit here in the corner. Nice and.
I believe so. Chuck would be checking it in.
Oh.
Can I serve you guys off with some coffee?
I would love some coffee and a glass of water if I could, please.
Look at this cake.
It's
See,
gorgeous.
that little grave like in the cake.
Oh my! I didn't see the top. Oh my
Isn't that
gosh!
so cool?
And this is the ladies of Minnie's here. What's your meal called that you ordered?
It's called the Big Easy. It's like everything.
Everything.
Eggs and fries and toast and a biscuit and gravy and getting a pancake and you get bacon, a sausage patty, a sausage link.
Babe. And you're gonna burst on the beach.
They just brought us some Halloween masks to
so
wear.
excited over
That's
that.
so cool. Look at these. That's so cool. We're gonna definitely wear these. We're giving them a sticker, a Laliland sticker too.
I brought one with us for the beach, so they get it.
I love the boat with the sugar and salt and pepper in it. There's nothing better than sitting down to breakfast with a bucket of jelly waiting for you. And it's all different kinds. Grape, strawberry. So cool. Oh boy. Oh, there it is.
What do you have on the weekend?
Cinnamon buns on the weekend.
Oh yeah. There's my pancake.
Minnie's a mermaid. She lives under the sea. She's no relation to the girls or me. So if you have a problem you'd like to discuss, take it to Minnie. Don't bring it to us.
Yay! That's a great. Thank
Take
you.
a bow. I love it.
Oh, this is the Big Easy. I'm gonna die.
I got my omelet. What's that? Oh, the grits.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
can't forget the
boy.
grits. Thank you.
You are very welcome.
Thanks for everything.
Are
Oh,
we
there's-
all set for right now?
There's my
Yeah.
pancake.
this pancake. Thank you.
Very welcome.
Look at that gravy. Oh my lord. So I got spinach, tomato, and cheddar. Some hash browns and toast. Dude, so good. I gotta taste it. Jeez, oh. Change in plans. We're back at the condo. Minnie's Beach Cafe was amazing. Kaylee and all the staff there were amazing. It's a family-owned restaurant. Oh, be still my heart. Mikey said by far the best homemade biscuits and gravy he's ever had in his life. They were amazing. And we get to try the apple pie later. Taking a key lime pie break for the day and we'll get the apple pie. Oh my God, she gave us a huge piece. Wow. Oh, it's beautiful. That is a beautiful piece of pie. Oops. I love good crust. Oh my gosh. Bring on the diabetes. Minnie's Beach Cafe gets a 10 out of 10 rating from us for breakfast and pie. Heck yeah. Go see them when you're in town, guys. Amazing. What's the matter?
Guys, if you are down anywhere near this area,
That's what I
if you
said.
come to Florida, you need to go to Minnie's. You need to get the sausage and gravy. I don't even eat sausage, gravy, and biscuits. That's what I meant to say. Sorry. Sausage, gravy, and biscuits. Oh my God. It was one of the best things I've ever had. Oh, kudos to the chef at Minnie's who made all the food. Everything was made with love. The breakfast I got was called the Big Easy. I showed it to you guys. It was a lot of food, but if you're looking for that, you know, nice home style, made with love breakfast to start your day, get the Big Easy at Minnie's. You will not regret it. And get a pancake on the side.
Because I sure as heck don't cook on vacation. I don't know about y'all. So treat yourself. And then always take your vitamins after so you don't die of COVID.